Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Bendy Lone Wolf game crashing, not launching, stuck on loading screen, showing black screen, lagging, freezing or other issues on PC. So let's go through it. So the first method is to restart your PC. For that, simply click on Windows icon over here, then select power and then click on restart option. So this will restart your PC, and after that try to launch the game and check if it works. If not, then you need to verify the integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, then click on install files, and here you need to click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, now try to launch the game and check if this solution help you. Next is to update graphics card. So make sure graphics cards are updated to the latest version. So for that, go to the search option over here, search for device manager. Now go below expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver option, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will search for the best drivers and will install the latest version. And after that, try to launch the game and check if this solution works for you. Apart from this, I have also mentioned the links of other graphics drivers, so simply you can go through them. Just copy those links and your browser. Now go below and fill all the details, and after that download the graphics card for your PC. Same thing for AMD also. So AMD users, simply download your graphics card by visiting the website, and Intel users, go through this website and download the latest graphics card, and after that try to launch the game and check if it works. Next solution is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, then go to the install files over here, click on browse, and it will take you to the game folder where it has been installed. Select your game application, right click on it, click on properties, and then select compatibility, and here you need to click on run this program as an administrator and then hit on apply and OK. After that, try to launch the game and check if it works. If not, simply click on run this program in compatibility mode for, and then select Windows 8 or select Windows 7, then hit on apply and OK, and after that try to play the game and check if it resolves the issue. Next is to modify launch option. So for that, go to library in Steam, there select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now under general, you need to type -dx11 in the launch options and then try to launch the game and check if it works. If not, then type -dx12 and then try to play the game and see if crashing issue is resolved or not. Next solution is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the search option over here, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on allow an app or feature, then click on change settings. After that, search for your game if it's listed. If not, then click on allow another app, click on browse, then go to the game folder where your game is installed, select it and add to the list over here. After that, select your game, make sure both public and private boxes are ticked, and then click on OK, and after that try to play the game and check if this solution has resolved the error. Next is to update your game. So make sure you have the latest versions of the game installed on your PC. If there is any update, simply update it and then try to play the game and see if it works. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option over here, search for check for updates, and here you should check if there is any update available. Click on check for updates option, and after your Windows is updated, now try to launch the game and check if it resolves the problem. Next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option over here, search for graphics settings, and after that, here you should check if the game has been listed. So if not, then simply click on add a desktop app, go to the game folder where it has been installed and add your game to the list over here, and after that select your game, and under GPU preference you need to select high performance. By default it will be selected as let Windows decide, so simply select high performance, and after that try to launch the game and check if it works. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to the taskbar settings, click on task manager, and then under process tab you need to find those apps which are of no use or consuming high resources. So simply select those apps and then right click on it and click on end task. After closing the game or apps that is running in the background, now try to launch the game and check if it works. Next solution is to clear download cache. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam over here, then click on settings. After that, go below, click on downloads, and here you need to click on clear cache option, that is beside clear download cache. So after clearing the cache, now try to play the game and check if it works. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have provided the link in the description. Just copy it and go to your web browser and paste it. The website, go below, and here you can download the latest Visual C++ files on your PC, and after that try to launch the game and check if it works. If not, the final solution is to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall, and then click on uninstall again. So this will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC once and then again launch Steam, reinstall the game, and then try to play the game and check if everything is okay and you can play now without any further problem. So these are some suggested solutions to fix Bendy Lone Wolf game crashing or stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.